Hello, Mimi.
Well, come on in.
Thanks a lot.
Was the map easy enough to follow?
Mm-hmm. You did a really good job. Your directions were better. I almost forgot. These are for you.
Oh, that's very nice, but you should give them to my sister.
No, Mimi. I got these especially for you.
But you see, my sister is the one who's good at baking.
I see. So, you didn't make the first one?
Today you'll find out the truth. My name's Kitty.
Huh? You're really funny, Mimi. You're always making me laugh.
Kitty, is that Robert out there? Tell him I'll be out in a minute. Okay, I will.
That sounds just like you.
No, that's Mimi.
You're both named Mimi? Isn't that confusing?
No, because my name's Kitty.
Kitty? Huh?
Hello, did you meet my sister? I hope you're hungry because I used extra filling. It should be ready pretty
Which one is which?